it's Georgie from Blue Anchor Leisure. I hope everybody's really well. Sorry I haven't been online for around a week now. It has been really busy down here in Chapel St Leonard's, and we have sold lots of our lovely holiday homes. So keep your eyes out for some more beautiful ones that we have had come in very recently. So this is one of them, and this is an ABI Wimbledon. So it's a 2022 model. It's had one owner from new, and they have loved it, as you can tell by the condition. It's only been used by them and their family. So it's really clean and tidy. So it has 3 bedrooms and it sleeps 8 people. Really nice spacious bedrooms. We do have TV and aerial points in all rooms. Nice little storage cupboard just there. And lots of room in the master. So they have popped a double mattress over the 2 twins there. If it's preferred to have 2 twins back, then we would do that within the price. Got a lovely sized master bedroom, which is something you don't always get in a 3-bed. And it comes with the ensuite. So 2 toilets, and this one is priced at $38,995. So we've got a huge variety of parks to have this one sited. They are in Skegness, Inglemells, Chapel St Leonard's and Mablethorpe. We have all action resorts. We have peaceful, quiet, countryside feel parks, and we have everything in between. So if you would like any information on any of our homes, please do give me a call. Please like, share and subscribe to my page.